Hello friends, and welcome to part 9 of the course. In this part, we're going to cover the 4 letter stages section. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. Go to game scene. The first thing you need to do is create a duplicate of the chars object that we built for the 3-letter stages. Now, open the second chars object, create another duplicate of the last button, and change its text name from 3 to 4. Now, click on the Game Manager object, and in the Char Levels section, instead of the 3 letters we created for level 1, we now need to add 4 more fields in the field for 4-letter words. Then, assign the corresponding text elements to these newly created fields. Now, the other thing you need to do is change the char answer value for each level to the number 7. Now, just move the 4th button that you duplicated to a different location and run the game. As you can see, the 4 new letters are displayed correctly. Now we just need to place the letters in the char answer field instead of the letter T. Now, we just need to write a few simple lines of code to activate and deactivate each char object based on whether the level has 3 letters or 4 letters. These 2 lines of code are for accessing the char objects in the inspector. Now, in the start function, we define when each of the game objects should be activated after which level. If the level counter is less than 3, meaning only the char's game object for the 3-letter version should be active. And if it's greater than or equal to 3, meaning only the char's game object for the 4-letter version should be active, and the 3-letter version should be deactivated. You can modify these based on the number of 3-letter and 4-letter levels. Save the code and return to Unity. Now, you need to assign both objects to their corresponding fields and run the game. After running the game, you'll see in the hierarchy that because the level index equals 3, the first char's object is deactivated and the second char's object is activated. Now, let's place all the buttons in their correct positions. Stay with me. Okay, I've arranged all the buttons properly. You place them where you want them. And now let's delete all the data and replay from the beginning just to check that everything runs without any issues. The reason this level didn't display correctly is that we didn't enter the letters for this level. Let me enter all of them and run the game again. Okay, everything runs without any issues, and we've reached the end of this part. One more thing. If you want to create levels for 5 letters or more, you just need to repeat the same steps we did for the 4-letter version. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments.